Luke chapter 22. Judas sell Jesus. Time can't reach for bread wey no get yeast feast, wey they call Passova. The priest oga dem and the law teachers dey find how dem wan go take kill Jesus, but dem dey fear the people. So Satan enter inside Judas Iscariot, one of Jesus' 12 disciples. He can't go tell the officer wey dey guide the temple say he go sell Jesus give them. They happy well, come promise am say dem go give am money. Judas gree, and he come begin find secret way to sell Jesus give them so that people no go know. The Passova Feast. The day for the bread wey no get yeast feast, when dem dey kill sheep for sacrifice, come reach. Jesus tell Peter and John, make una go prepare the Passover food where we go shop. They come ask, na for where you want make we prepare am? Jesus answer them, listen, when una enter the town, una go meet one man wey carry water pot. Make una follow am, enter the house where him go enter. Make una tell the person wey get the house say the teacher say make we ask you where the room where me and my disciples go for shop the Passover food. He go show una one big room where table and chair dey for upstairs. Make una prepare everything for there. When dem go, they can see everything as Jesus tell them say it go be. So dem prepare the Passover food for there. The last evening food. When the time reach, Jesus sit down for where dem dey shop, and his disciples come join am. Jesus tell them, I really want shop this Passover food with una before I go suffer. Because I tell una, I no go shop am again until everything don complete for God kingdom. Then Jesus take one cup wey get wine. After he thank God, he come say, make una take this cup and divide am among una sef. Because I tell una, from now on go, I no go drink this wine again until God kingdom go come. Then Jesus take bread. After he thank God, he divide am, come give am to them, say, na my body be this, wey God don give una. Make una dey always do this thing to take remember me. Like that, Jesus still take the cup after they don chop finish, come say, this cup wey God give una, na the new agreement with my blood. Last word. I wan make una know say the person wey go sell me give my enemy, e dey shop with me for this table. Because man pikin go die as God plan am, but curse dey for the person head wey go sell am. So the disciples come begin ask each other, which of them go sell Jesus? Who big pass? They come dey quarrel among themselves, say which of them big pass. So Jesus tell them, Gentile kings dey give their people order, yet the people still dey call them people friends. But una not supposed to be like that. The person wey big among una must do like say na him small pass, and the leader go be like servant. Na who big pass? Na the person wey sit down for table dey shop, or the person wey dey serve am? Not be the one wey sit down for table, but I dey do like servant among una. Now una stay with me when I dey pass through wahala. So I give una power to rule, just as my papa don give me. For my kingdom, una go sit down and shop and drink for my table and una go sit down for different thrones. They judge the 12 tribes for Israel. Simon, Simon, may you listen. God don't allow Satan make he test all of una, so that God go fit separate bad people from the good ones. But Simon, I don't pray for you, may your faith not fail. When you don't turn back, come meet God. Make you help your brothers too. Peter tell him, Oga God, I dey ready to follow you go prison and even die with you. But Jesus say, Peter, make I tell you the truth. Fowl no go do kukuruku this night until you don't talk 3 times, say you not know me. Then Jesus tell them, when I send una go out without money, bag or sandals, you get anything where una need where una not get? They answer, no. He can't tell them, but now, person wey get money or traveling bag must to carry am, and person wey not get sword must to sell in cloth, can't use the money buy one. Because I tell una, wetin they write for God word about me must to happen, say, them count join criminals. Because wetin God write about me, it dey happen now. The disciples can say, Oga God, see 2 swords for here. Jesus answer, he don't do. On top Mount Olives. Then Jesus comot, come waka as he dey always do, go Mount Olives, and the disciples follow am. When they reach there, Jesus come tell them, make una pray, so that una no go fall enter temptation. Then he leave them, waka go fast small, come lay down dey pray. Papa, if you like to do am, make you let this suffer cup pass me. But make it be as you want, not be as I want am. One angel appear from heaven, come give Jesus power, because Jesus dey struggle well for him mind. He pray sotey in sweat come be like blood. When he pray finish, he go meet him disciples, come see say dem dey sleep, because they don't tire well. So Jesus tell them, why una dey sleep? Make una get up and pray, so that una no go fall enter temptation. Dem arrest Jesus. As Jesus still dey talk, at once some people waka come, and na Judas lead them. He waka go meet Jesus, come kiss am for face. So Jesus ask am, Judas, na kiss you take sell man pikin? When those wey dey near Jesus see wetin wan happen, they ask am, Oga God, may we use our sword? Then one among them attack the priest servant, come cut in right ear comot. But Jesus shout for am make he stop. Then he touch the man ear, come heal am. Then Jesus asked the priest oga them, the officers wey dey guide the temple, and the elders wey come meet am, say, una carry sword and wood, like say una come arrest thief. Since when I dey with una for the temple, una no arrest me. But na una time be this, the time wey darkness power go rule. Dem condemn Jesus. Then dem arrest Jesus, carry am go the high priest house, but Peter dey follow dem for back. When dem don make fire for the compound center, come sit down together, Peter sit down with the people too. One servant girl sees Peter sit down near the fire. He look am for eye, come say, "This man been there with Jesus too oh." But Peter say, "Woman, not be me. I not know am." After some time, another person see am, come say, "You dey with them, not be so?" But Peter say, "My friend, I not dey with them oh." When 1 hour don pass, another person come say, "I see this man, he dey with them because him too, he come from Galilee." But Peter say, "Oga God, I not know wetin you dey talk." At once, as he still dey talk, na him one fowl do kukuruku. Then Jesus turn look Peter for eye, and Peter come remember the word wey Jesus tell am. Before fowl go do kukuruku this night, you go don talk 3 times say you no know me. Then Peter go outside, begin cry. The guards begin laugh Jesus, come dey beat am anyhow. They tie him eye, come dey ask am, "Oya prophesy, na who knack you so?" They still curse am with different words. When morning reach, the elders with the priest oga dem and the law teachers come gather. Then dem take Jesus go their council, come tell am say, "If you know say na you be the Christ, make you tell us." But Jesus answer, "If I tell una, una no go believe me. And if I ask una question, una no go gree answer. But from now on, man pikin go sit down for God right hand, where power dey." All of them come ask, "So you be God pikin?" Jesus answer, "Na una talk am o." Then they come say, "Why we need another witness? He don talk everything by himself."